Welcome to luxury resort-style living nestled within the exquisite confines of Cascata Estates. Step into the lap of opulence with this sprawling 5-bedroom plus a den ranch home boasting a finished basement for the ultimate indulgence. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this home is a testament to quality, featuring high-end products meticulously chosen throughout. The strategically designed floor plan offers flexibility and adaptability, ensuring your living space evolves with your needs. Entertain in style with a gourmet kitchen equipped with professional-grade appliances, custom white oak cabinetry, and a large island for culinary creativity. In the primary wing, discover a haven of tranquility with a spacious bedroom complemented by a luxurious ensuite bath, leading to a sprawling walk-in closet. The upper level is a sanctuary for relaxation and reflection. The split plan design includes an additional 4 bedrooms on the main level, each thoughtfully appointed. A full bath with double vanities caters to the needs of family and guests alike, while a guest bedroom enjoys the convenience of an ensuite as well. Step into the gorgeous sunroom, where a seamless transition to the outdoor awaits. Here, a blissful in-ground relaxation pool awaits, surrounded by a fenced area adorned with synthetic maintenance-free grass and aluminum fencing, all set against a breathtaking backdrop. The professionally landscaped yard is a testament to artistry, boasting hardscape features and irrigation for effortless maintenance. Parking is a breeze with an oversized 3-car garage, complete with epoxy flooring and cabinetry for optimal organization. A curbless entry driveway welcomes you home, while custom window treatments and a security system offers peace of mind. Experience luxury living like never before. This better-than-new home awaits, ready for immediate enjoyment. Call A.J. Sheehy for all the details.